If we had enough sensory ability and we could look far enough into our history, or the history of everything, we would know that it acts inevitably. Even the so-called changing of our mind and the frivolous, seemingly unpredictable, and even the predictable, it all acts inevitably. And that is the big illusion. And because of that, we indulge in all sorts of weird beliefs, supernatural beliefs. Mind you, I have to admit that the physical arrangement of matter particles, even though inevitable, are highly complex and at the moment, for us human beings, unpredictable. Many things are unpredictable, but there are many things that are predictable. So it's ambivalent, isn't it? The thing we have to understand is that the unpredictable is only that way because of our lack of knowledge and our lack of sensory ability. If we had X-ray eyes, we could see the details of every piece of, every object, every material thing we see. We could see exactly what it's made up of. But we only see the surface. We see a rock or a piece of steel, right? Fortunately, with the use of devices and science, we now know that they're not what they appear to be on the surface. Underneath, they have highly moving matter particles. Everything has got highly moving matter particles in it. Right? So, and all acting as they should act under the circumstances. And all the circumstances which may appear abstruse and unpredictable are if we have enough knowledge and enough sensory ability. This quantum mechanics, the uncertainty principle, that's not true. The only thing that's uncertain is our estimation of things. That's what's uncertain. Not nature. Nature is absolutely certain. And everything happens because it cannot otherwise happen. Hard to believe, isn't it? And that's how it is.